When I'm looking for smallies in the fall, I like to concentrate a lot on river systems just because they're more predictable and these fish really school up in the fall on rivers. And what I'm looking for here today is a feeding shelf in between two deep holes. And as you look on the graph here, I'm in about 10, 11 feet of water on the deeper hole, and then it's going to come up here in about 7, 8 feet of water on top of that shelf. And when I side scan it, I'm seeing what's down there. I'm seeing the rocks, I'm seeing the sand. These fish are transitioned on the bottom end of that shelf. That's where they're staging. They're right on the edge of the rocks, letting the food come to them. So it comes over that shallow part down to the deep, and that's where I'm picking them off. The other area I look for too is somewhere that has a deep hole. Deep holes are critical for fish to winter in. But if I can find a steep break near a deep hole and then have a sliver of rocks like you see here on the graph, these fish can now transition from the deep water up to the rocks to feed, go back down when they don't want to feed. So those are the two areas I'm looking for in the fall, and when you find them, they're stacked up.